Stories from NLab. Now, before entering the first pitching session of YouStart selected startups, let me introduce you to Smart Eye, an Italian startup which entered the NL Lab, an NL Group accelerator, a year ago. Smart Eye will share with you the experience of how important it is to get on board of an acceleration program of a leading industrial company in order to leverage its technical and managerial experience and support to global. Smart Eye, come on out. Welcome.
Nice to meet you.
It's all yours. Take it away.
Thank you. Hi everyone, I'm Gabriele, CTO at Smart Eye. Well, let's start. Smart Eye is a new company founded in 2012. And if presentation starts. Okay, here we are. It's a new company founded in 2012, me and my friend Mauro di Gianberardino. We work on drones, and our idea was how to apply this technology that mostly involves human-robot interaction into a different context. So talking with guys, our idea was why not migrating these technologies to the smart city context in order to foster these ideas to everyday life of us, of our citizens. In particular, we start digging into a very small fragment of the smart city market, which is public lighting. Maybe not so many of you will know that public lighting, at least in Italy, is a very important market in terms of the amount of power provided, up to 6 terawatt per year. And it's the third item on the city balance sheets. It's not so many tackled and covered by new technologies, so it was for us the right part where to tackle with our system. Up to now, lighting plants are controlled just by using static policies like turning on and off lamps according to astronomical clocks, without considering anything related to the environment. So without controlling whether someone is passing through the road or if there is some pedestrian crossing the street, everything is still related to 70s technologies. Our idea is slightly different. We wanted, first of all, to give a new concept of lighting plant. First of all, a plant should be something aware of the context. The infrastructure of public lighting should control what's going on. And according to the real-time conditions of the environment, should react. One purpose for this is that by dimming down light, if not necessary, we can save cost. Another issue is safety. What if something bad is happening? Even if it's daylight, we should turn light on. Another important aspect of our activity is to move the lighting infrastructure from a passive infrastructure to an active one, in order to provide new services for citizens like wireless hotspots or like, for example, infomobility information, weather condition assessment, everything that can be useful in our life. Moving the whole concept of lighting infrastructure into something new, providing new smart services. Our product is called Smart Eye. Smart Eye is a vision sensor that assesses the environmental surroundings of the road we are controlling in terms of traffic conditions, in terms of weather conditions, in terms of the luminosity and luminance of the street. All these data are processed directly on board and automatically without any human supervision. And the effect of this is that we can predict what's the best lighting profile according to the real-time condition. This is partially allowed by the Italian law and by European and worldwide laws. And so we are simply giving a new way to measure in real time what was already scheduled years ago, but at the moment, currently, no system was capable to do. Besides providing the smart lighting part, which is, of course, the core of our system, the same sensor, by acquiring the environmental, can provide new additional services, like controlling parking slots, assigning free parking slots to drivers incoming, like optimizing and rescheduling public transports according to the number of people waiting to bus stops, or like providing high-level data extractions in terms of video surveillance, controlling access to areas. All these services are provided automatically and simply by using one sensor. So municipalities don't have to install different and manifold kinds of infrastructure and then wasting time in order to integrate them. Rather, they can use just one sensor. Our idea was a two-guy in a garage starting from basically nothing, and we won regional funding in 2012 in the Latium region. But for sure, our best achievement so far was winning the NL Lab competition in May 2013. There were up to 200 companies, startups, applying for this investment. So it was really a great achievement for us. This allowed us to move from a first round, a very local, focused set of goals, up to a worldwide set of goals. NL Lab is supporting us, first of all, financially. We won a first round of 250,000 euros. But besides this, we are getting accounting, legal support, technological support in accessing their labs, their technical facilities like power plants. We are installing our sensor in a large power plant in Brindisi. We moved from a regional, local set of plants close to Rome, our city, and now we are installing in Brazil, and we are installing in Spain. You can figure out that everything changed for us. It was really like moving a step forward. And we could achieve such results also by fostering our hiring process. So we are still small, but not so much, let's say. One of the things that I noticed during this 2-year process, I'm a tech guy. Basically, my skills are in the core application of our system. But for a startup, it's very, very important to take care about the design and to take care about what the market is actually asking you for. And during these 2 years, we completely changed our brand. We starting in cooperation with Enel to differentiate our product. We actually changed our business model, and at the very beginning, we were selling a product. Now we are selling a service. It was really, really a long process, somehow frustrating for us because it's something that changes your mind, your attitude. But having a large company support, working with you in a very tight relationship, is something that is very as important as getting just money or funding. Thank you so much. And if you have any questions,